Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm diving into how you can make money online with your passion for food and cooking. Imagine turning your love for creating delicious meals into a money-making machine without even owning a restaurant. Sounds amazing, right? Well, in this video, I'll share with you 6 incredible ways to monetize your passion for food and cooking online. Whether you're a professional chef, a home cook, or just someone who enjoys food or cooking, you can start earning today. Are you ready to discover how to make money online with your passion for food or cooking? Stick around because the last of the 6 methods I'll share might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Tell me, what's your absolute favorite food? And what do you love to cook the most? Let's chat in the comment section below. The first method to make money with food or cooking is through blogging. Although some people think blogging is dead, but the truth is, it isn't dead. In fact, food blogs are one of the best ways to make passive income. You can share recipes, cooking tips, restaurant reviews, or meal plans and get paid through ads, Google AdSense, Mediavine. Affiliate marketing, recommending kitchen gadgets, cookbooks, meal kits. Selling your own ebooks or courses. You can also use platforms like WordPress or Medium to start for free, then grow your audience through SEO and Pinterest. The next method is selling cooking courses and ebooks. If you know how to make delicious meals, meal prep hacks, or special cuisines, why not teach others? Here's how to monetize. Number 1, create an online cooking course on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. Number 2, sell a recipe ebook on Amazon KDP or Gumroad. Number 3, offer one-on-one coaching or meal planning services. Imagine making $50 per sale, even while you sleep. You can also make money through YouTube cooking channel. YouTube is no doubt gold for food lovers. You can start a channel featuring 1. Step-by-step recipe videos. 2. Budget meal ideas and hacks. 3. Cooking challenges and food trends. 4. Reviews of kitchen gadgets or cooking tools. 5. You can also choose to focus on organic recipes. 6. How about cooking delicacies that are local to your community? Whatever area of cooking you choose to focus on, there is an audience online waiting to watch your videos. How do you make money? The first is through YouTube ad revenue. Once you hit 1,000 subs plus 4,000 watch hours. Secondly, you can make money through affiliate marketing by promoting Amazon kitchen tools. Thirdly, you can make money through brand sponsorships. For example, companies pay you to feature their products. YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok videos are very good to grow faster. The fourth method is by starting a food delivery or meal prep service. Do you love cooking but don't want a full-blown restaurant? You can start a small meal prep business from home. Offer custom meal plans for fitness, weight loss, or busy professionals. Sell homemade sauces, snacks, or baked goods. Partner with local food delivery apps like Uber Eats or DoorDash. This is great for home chefs who want to make money doing what they love. The fifth method is selling food or cooking-related merchandise. Merchandising is an underrated way to turn your love for food into a profitable business. For example, you can design and sell custom aprons, t-shirts, and mugs with funny food quotes, cooking puns, or even quotes from the Holy Book. You can also create and print recipe planners or meal prep journals for food lovers and home chefs. Another thing you can do is to sell personalized spice blends or seasoning kits that make cooking easier and more flavorful. The best part? You don't need to handle inventory. You can use print-on-demand platforms like Teespring, Printify, or Etsy to create and sell your products hassle-free. Start with what you have, whether it's a simple recipe blog, a YouTube channel, or a small online food store. The sixth and final method is to become a food influencer. If you love sharing food content, why not get paid for it? Brands will pay you to promote their food products, cookware, or services. Number 1. Start a food-focused Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest account. Number 2. Collaborate with brands on sponsorships. Number 3. Earn through affiliate marketing by linking to kitchen tools and food subscriptions. It's important that you engage with your audience. Reply to comments and build a community. It will attract bigger brand deals. So, there you have it. 6 powerful ways to make money online with your love for cooking. In this video, I covered 1. Starting a food blog. 2. Selling courses and ebooks. 3. Launching a YouTube channel. 4. Starting a meal prep or food delivery service. 5. Selling food-related merchandise. And 6. Becoming a food influencer. Kempreneurship. Which of these money-making ideas excites you the most about food or cooking? Are you ready to turn your love for food or cooking into a profitable online business? The key is to focus on creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and building a strong brand presence. Use social media, SEO, and strategic marketing to attract customers. Stay consistent, keep improving, and watch your food-themed business grow into a thriving online success. Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you gained or learned anything at all in this video, please help by smashing the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss my next video on turning your passion into profits or any of my future videos on making money online. Stay inspired and keep hustling, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers!